I'm on page 223 of your Osborne book, Statistical Functions. Before starting these exercises, we need to check that the data analysis tool pack is available on our spreadsheet. To do that, you'll go to Data, and it should be on the right hand side of your ribbon. As mine is there, I don't need to do any further action, but if you don't have it, you'll need to go to File and Options. Unfortunately, I don't have the option available, therefore I won't be able to show you. But if you go to page 207 of your Osborne book, there is a step-by-step guide detailing how to apply it. If you still can't find it, maybe have a look in Tools and you may find it in your ribbon here. We've been asked to use T6 expenses, which is this file in front of you on my screen. We want to save it as T6 exercise 1. I've now saved my file so I can start the exercises. We've been asked to insert a row between motor expenses and postage, which is between row 5 and 6. So I'm going to click on 6, right click, insert. I'm going to type accountancy. I'm going to enter the values. I want to merge H2 and I2. Enter the text average, bold, italics and centre. So I'm going to highlight H2, I2, go to home, merge and centre. As I want to format it with bold and italics, I'll do that first, then I'll type the word average. In H3, I want to enter 3-month, bold and italics. So I'm going to click on bold, italics and type 3-month. In I3, I want to type 6-month, bold and italic. So I'm going to do bold, italic. In H4, I want to enter a formula to calculate the average for February, April and June. So I'm going to click on the drop down. I'm going to select average. I don't want the whole row. I only want February, April and June. So I'm going to take out the data. I'm going to click on February, comma, April, comma and June. Or you could do clicking on February, hold Control, April, Control and June. Check it on your calculator to make sure it's correct, and when you're happy, replicate or flash fill. We want to make sure that row 3 is aligned to the right, bold and italic. So I'm just going to click on right aligned, bold and italic. We now want to enter a formula in I4 to calculate the average over all 6 months. So I'm going to click here, average, but I don't want to include H4. So I'm going to change the H4 with G4. So it's only highlighting the months for June, up to June. When I'm done, press enter. Check it on your calculator. When you know this is 100% correct, replicate or flash fill. I want to format all numerical cells to include a comma and no decimal places. So I'm going to highlight my data, right click, format cells, number, 0 decimal places and 1000 separator. We're going to save the workbook keeping the same name, and then we're going to have a look at it with just formulas. So we're going to go to formulas, show formulas. If the page is too big, reduce the size. And just become familiar with your formulas. When you're happy, take the formulas off, adjust your page size, and there we have it. This stage is now complete.